Welcome to No Nonsense Reviews and How-Tos. Today I'm going to show you how to separate data in a cell in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. So I have a bunch of rows here that have numbers and text in them, but what I want to do is I want to get rid of the numbers, and I don't want to do that row by row, so here's an easy way to do it. Go to the top of your screen and make sure you have data selected, and then highlight the entire column. When you're in the data section, go to text to columns, click on fixed width. It'll default to delimited, but click on fixed width and then click next. So once you click next, you're going to see this little line with an arrow pointing up. You can scroll it back and forth. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it to the end of the 100 here, so it's separating the numbers and the letters, and then you hit next. You're going to see another screen come up. Don't worry about it, just hit finish, and it's as simple as that. So as you can see, it has separated my numbers and my text into different columns, and you can delete the numbers if you want now or do whatever you want with them, but that's it. So thanks for watching.